Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by combining prerequisites, firmware 2. 1. 0 or later, a charged unit and the Nothing Widgets Pro app installed. Once done, open the app and pair via Bluetooth. Make sure you accept pairing prompts. You will see the device listed as Nothing Widgets Pro, tap Connect. You must grant permissions for notifications and widgets to update in the background. This first step gets live data flowing, so pause only until you see the status bar show connected and last sync time. Now you configure core widgets and why each choice matters. You select a layout compact for minimal battery use, extended for more info. Once chosen, tap a slot and add modules like clock, battery meter, or notification preview. Make sure you customize each module's data source. Set the refresh rate. 15 seconds gives near real-time updates at a cost to battery, while 1 minute conserves power. When done, arrange modules by dragging. This order controls priority and visibility on small screens. Finish by saving the layout and enabling auto start so widgets persist after reboots. You should test with a quick reboot to confirm everything loads automatically. Check that data populates within the expected refresh interval. If widgets fail, run diagnostics in settings, export the log, then reset the Bluetooth connection and repair. If problems persist, perform a widget's factory reset as a last resort. One key tip: always include the log ID when contacting support to.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.